Dumping rubbish is a crime. Of course it is, of course it is. You don't want to dump rubbish, do you? Because that's bad, it pollutes the environment. Think of the ducks. But what is a crime is the fucking retard who decided to do this. Some dickhead decided that because this road doesn't get used, nobody ever comes down here. Very rarely when I come down here, and I do this quite often, like 3 or 4 times a week, very rarely do I see another car using this road. I need to get from there to there. I'm not allowed anymore. And what I've got to do is I've got to go all the way round a 2-mile trip instead of just going through here for no fucking reason. So, come on, Barry. Let's walk. Me and Barry are going to walk because we are not a motor vehicle, we are a pedestrian. Now, this is the first sign I've seen. I'm going to find the other sign, see how long this bit of road is. And I mean, technically I'm riding one. No, I'm not, I'm scooting. I am a mobility scooter. And that's about it. We're gonna have to walk the rest of it because it's uphill, and now I'm forced to stress my legs out because I'm a lazy fuck and I gotta walk. Whose idea was this? Was this yours or mine, dickhead? Well, let's just walk. Walking. Still walking. I need a wee. I chose the worst time to make this point, didn't I? This pathetic, pointless point, but I need a wee. Smart, Benji. Fucking smart. This is where it gets tiring now. What a dickhead. All this just to prove a point. And have a little break. Doesn't look that steep. Oh, I am unfit. Let's go, Barry, come on. And that's it. That little stretch of road must have been about 200-300 metres. We're not allowed to use it. And I'm going to go to the end of this road and see if there's any signs at the end of this road to tell me that this road is closed, because there's fuck all up the other side. And I want to know why they've stopped us from using this and making us go like a 2.5 mile detour. This is me ranting now because there's no need for that. See that road there ends up joining this road 2 miles that way. I've just cut out like an entire 2 miles. I seen a sign the other day that said experimental traffic scheme. What the fuck is an experimental traffic scheme? I'm not bothered because it means I get to go the long way round everywhere. I could go that way and add an extra 15 minutes to my journey when I only got to go down the road. But I thought, well, you know, save the planet and all that jazz, and think of the polar bears. But fuck the polar bears, fuck Gretna what's-her-face with a dick on her head.
How dare you!
I'm going to go the long way, fuck them. The thing is, to change the environment, to change the planet, to do the economically and environmentally friendly thing, they spend years and years and years planning and coming up with environmental schemes and pollution cutdowns and all that bollocks. There's a simple solution. Ban China, delete America. Done. The world's fixed.
My life be like, yeah.
Why is there a car? A parking ticket.